Now it's time to head out to the Fox 11 Fieldhouse. The following segment is brought to you by Aurora BayCare Medical Center, and here's Benny Peterson.
We're here this morning with Dr. Robert Limoni, a fellowship-trained orthopedic surgeon at Aurora BayCare Medical Center. Now, Dr. Limoni, today we are discussing rapid recovery treatment options for joint replacement. Can you explain some of these new innovative treatment options?
Well, we're focusing on getting patients ready faster prior to the surgery. And this includes prehab, which is to get range of motion and strengthening prior to the actual surgery occurring. Doing really innovative things for pain management, including getting the sleep better prior to actually having the surgery. And we also get them up and start walking immediately in the PACU right after the surgery occurs. And that's all allowed by better pain management techniques.
And why is it important for you to offer these cutting-edge treatment options?
Some studies show up to 15% of patients become addicted to narcotics after a total joint replacement. We find that just unacceptable, and we need to continue innovating to find creative ways to get people off narcotics quicker after these surgeries.
And what are some of the benefits of these innovative treatment options?
Well, when people get into their home and their safe environment quicker, they move better and they reduce complication risks such as blood clots after surgery. They also get back to their work quicker, they get back to their activities they enjoy quicker, and it ends up being a better outcome in the end for that reason.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you, Dr. Limoni. Now, for more information on Aurora BayCare's specialized orthopedic teams, head to aurorabaycare.com/ortho. And Good Day, Wisconsin. We'll be right back.